Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, knock off. Knock off. Ugh. To stop doing something. Yeah, stop doing. We want to knock off that habit. Can you knock it off? Yeah, can you stop that? Can you knock it off? We can't knock it off. We enjoy doing it too much. Yeah, we enjoy it too much. How cool is that? Yeah. Can you knock it off and turn the volume down? Yeah, knock off the noise. Can you knock it off? We're trying to sleep. We knocked it off last night. Yeah, we stopped doing it last night. We knocked it off once and for all. We knocked it off once and for all. Yeah. How cool is that? How are you knocking it off now? Yeah. You think you're going to knock it off? But how? How are you going to stop it? How are you going to stop it? He will have to knock off that habit in the future. Yes. If he wants to achieve that, then he will have to knock off that habit. It is holding him back. Holding him back. Yeah. Knock off. Now, can you use knock off in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for, you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.